Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today, me and my friends have come to a vineyard. So we will explore how a vineyard looks, what is the process there. Those are my friends. Hey Sanidhi, that's my another friend. Yeah, he's a lazy boy. So these are the wines which we are going to taste today. That's the type of wines which we'll be tasting. And coming to the price of this is 1200 rupees for the experience. 1210 rupees.
It will tell you of a time when it saw the light of day first, and the hundred odd sunsets and sunrises that came after.
So what they have done here
The
is
day the pluckers
the
came
entire process of
close
winemaking,
right,
they have shown it over a
they
video.
mention
So the first stage of this entire vineyard
take a
tour
sip.
is going to be in a mini theater where they show this. After that, they take you to the place where winemaking happens.
So guys, the session where they show us on the tour of the factory is over. I don't have much footage of that place because recording is not allowed there. But the main thing is here, which is going to be wine pairing. We have the glasses ready. They have even given us a booklet and a pen, maybe to write down notes on how does the wine taste. So let's start the session. What wine is this, ma'am? Okay, this is the wine we are having first.
It's good. It's really nice. It's like blunt.
In the two white wines, two red wines, one rosé wine, one desert wine. Okay, you tried the wine before, right? Everyone, you tried the wine before. So, in generally, which wine do you like? The white and the rosé wine. It's a more aromatic wine.
So
And
basically,
rosé
this
wine,
dude is
it should
saying
be served
what
cold
is the
and
difference
slow.
between the
Okay,
types of
in
wine
between
and the types
red
of
and
wine
white,
glasses.
there is one more
That's it.
gas that is
So first step is
smells
to
right. It's more of like
swirl
grainy,
the wine.
yeasty, and the fermentation
That's the
smell
first
will do
step.
it, right? It's more
Swirl the
fruity
wine.
characters. So now close the glass on the
After you
top.
swirl it,
Swirl your wine a little bit. Yeah. Sniff your wine again. How about now? Stronger. So now you can feel the exact flavors of the wine.
yeah, it is
The
stronger.
reason we close the glass little sour, okay? That's a fruity, I mean
Too
citrusy,
sour.
right?
What do you
Okay,
think?
so now take a second sip of the
You
wine.
find it
It's
sour?
too sour.
What do you think? It's good. Like, didn't you find it sour? I
Now
find
you
it a
feel the
bit too
second
sour.
sip of the wine. One bite of a cheese and you can try your wine. Or you can finish your wine.
So what he's saying is, take this cheese and cheese.
You like before the cheese or after the cheese? Sorry? After the cheese?
I think I like it before the cheese.
Before the cheese, you can feel more
Now it
over
became
wine
more
character. After the cheese, you can
more
feel more over light
strong.
and the creamy better.
Not nice. Bad.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yeah, our wine man is back filling wine. A bit more, bit more. He's not telling us which wine is this. This is Rosa. Okay, so this is a bit rose in color. So this is Rosa wine.
On the outer line, the borderline you can check it's more over light pink in the color. And this will be age pulp and everything. Secondary aromas comes with the
It's time
acid
to smell
form,
the wine.
malic acid to lactic acid. That makes wine more of a soft and creamy kind
Okay,
of a texture.
this
And the
smells
tertiary
nice.
aromas comes with the barrel aged wines. You get more of oaky, smoky, and the woody in the aroma. Okay. So
This is a
go for the
very
sip. Sorry, swirl your
familiar
wine
taste,
and
smell.
sniff your wine. Stronger in the character, you get more of a little bit
I'm
of
getting the smell of
smoky,
strawberry,
oak,
pungent strawberry.
so
This tastes so bad. It doesn't taste like it smells. red wines,
Finish
the
your red
best
wine.
pairing agent is cheese. So let's do one thing. We take a bite of cheese, get it down our palate. I tried it with the cracker. The cracker, it was bad. So the small glass is having dessert wine.
Swirl your wine or use the shaking area to sniff your wine.
These wines,
And this one you can have like
the
after the
dessert
meal.
wines,
After the
are
heavy
the
meal,
ones
you can
which
have
has the
this
highest
wine
sugar
like juice.
and highest alcohol and taste the best.
So very sweet,
Gets you high
very
quick.
particular dish to eat. So white wine, rosé wine
Wow,
before the meal. Red wine
this is
after the
very
meal.
tasty.
Dessert wine after.
The wine tasting is done. End of the day, it's very simple. Swirl your wine, take a sniff, taste it, post that, have it with the pairing food. They'll taste even better. So that's all about wine pairing. So let's go see the vineyard. Huh? So now we are in a place called Ranch. So they have a restaurant, brewery, not a brewery, restaurant bar place. So this is that restaurant bar space, and they have a live music happening as well. Super nice. I'm walking inside the vineyard. These are the wine trees, but there are no grapes because the plucking just happened last week. There's absolutely nothing left to see. So I've seen vineyards before. I've seen grapes hanging on them as well. Let me take you to a different place on some other vlog and show you grapes hanging. Guys, trust me, this cheesecake is eternal bliss. It's one of the best cheesecake I've tried in the city. See the happiness on Sunidhi's face.
God.
We are wait. Oh, the pizza is also here. Yes, please. Okay. Okay. That, thank you.
So that's it, guys, for this video about Big Banyan Tree, the vineyard. If you liked the video, hit that like and share it with those friends with whom you want to visit this place. I'll see you guys in the next video with a different experience. Bye bye.